On the track, Carrie Tanoi. Dedicate this song to my wife, Carrie Tanoi.
In the silence of the breaking dawn, I feel your spirit linger on, like ocean waves upon the shore.
Your love remains forevermore, through every storm and setting sun, through every battle lost and won. Your voice still whispers in my soul, a secret light that makes me whole.
Alofa, a love that time can't take away. Even when the night goes colder, your heart is where I'll always stay. Like island winds that call my name, through tears and joy it burns the same. No distance wide, no endless sea can steal your love away from me. If stars should fall from midnight skies, still I would see them in your eyes. For every prayer my heart has known was answered when your love was shown. Alofa, fading as a rising sun, through every life, through every trial, our two hearts beat forever one. Turning fire, and landing fire. You won't get like all we do is our way. I be like it, we'll do it all. You know I don't go. When all the world has turned to gray, your love will guide me on my way, a timeless flame eternally. Alofa,